Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the exact source of the Ask Permission prompt, because removal differs if it's an app, OS, or policy. Once located, backup configuration files and export any settings so you can restore if needed. Make sure you have administrative or developer access now, because you will change permission entries directly. Without proper credentials, you'll only see errors. This step prevents loss and gives you a safe environment to edit the permission that triggers the request. Next, edit the manifest, policy file, or settings that declare the Ask Permission behavior. Remove the flag or change its scope so the system no longer prompts. If the application checks for permission at runtime, replace that check with an appropriate, approved flow so functionality remains intact. Deploy your change to a test device or environment, then exercise the exact feature that previously triggered the prompt to confirm the request no longer appears, and that the feature still works as intended. Finalize by rolling the validated change into production with a clear rollback plan and active monitoring, so you can spot regressions quickly. Make sure to audit adjacent permissions and prompts to avoid inadvertently creating privacy or security gaps. If the prompt still appears, troubleshoot by clearing app caches, reinstalling, and checking for inherited device or group policies that reapply the permission. Often a higher-level policy reintroduces the request. Keep a log of steps taken to speed any rollback.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.